So you are searching for the best battery charger for your GoPro Hero 10 or GoPro Hero 9? This one have a hiding feature. If you want to know everything about it, stay tuned until the end of the video. Hi everyone, Marcus here from MADpack, and if you love ECs, PVs and everything that have a E of electricity, this is the place for you. And today we are going to talk a little bit more about the GoPro Hero 10, GoPro Hero 9 and some accessories. And this one is my favorite charger that you have on the market, the one from Telesin, that have some hiding features that I never thought that will be relevant for me in my daily use. But you will notice what I'm talking about. And obviously the first one is price. If we look to the accessories from GoPro, you always pay a lot of money. But when we look to this one, it's quite cheap for what you get. And this one you can purchase with just one battery, two batteries, and I think also 3 batteries. I'll leave in the description below if you are interested. I'll leave all the versions that you have. Definitely the build quality of this one, even if it's not a GoPro product, is simply amazing. But it have some features, like I said, that make it very special for this kind of price. First of all, this is just a aesthetic one. When you connect it, you can see that you have some lights on the back. I really like to see it, but it's not a relevant thing that you'll find on this charger. The other thing that I have to say to you guys is the possibility that you can connect up to 3 batteries. And when we talk about the batteries, these batteries, they have 1750 milliamp hours. When we go to the one from GoPro is 1720. So these ones are slightly bigger than the ones from GoPro. To be honest, when we are using, I didn't notice any difference from one to the other. So they should be relatively similar from the use of one to the other. Did I had some bad issues with these batteries? I have to say to you guys, yes, I had one time. So this battery is stopped working, but besides that, and I've been using these batteries quite often, I didn't have any issues. And I have other 3 batteries from Telesin and they've been working perfectly fine. So basically I always have one battery inside my GoPro and the other 3 they are charging. What I really like about this one, this is the hiding feature that you have on this one. When you are using it and when you are just going around, these have magnets. So this is not going to open, but it have more. When you are just going around, and I had other chargers that you just sit somewhere and you put your batteries on the top, you could use those chargers at home. But if you are just going around, you need first of all to put somewhere where your batteries they are not touching to each other, and in that way I feel that these batteries are better protected when I put it like this. The second thing is I can even charge them on the run. So if I have my battery charger and I'm going to do a massive trip with my friends, I can basically always charge my batteries, so I will never run out of battery. So that is one of the things that I simply love it about this one. But there is more. There is another thing that makes it special. So as you can see, all these lights are in yellow, and these lights will be red, yellow and green. Red is when it's really low, yellow is when you have around 50% of battery, and green obviously when it's fully charged. So even if you have them basically charging and you want just to see which one is in better place to use it, you have here another light that gives you an idea, okay, this one is a little bit more charged than the others. So definitely another pro that I have for the Telesin charger. Another thing, as you can see, you have some rubber fits on the bottom, so it's not going to be going around and scratching your table. I don't have anything bad to talk about it, and I've been using it for more than 1 year. What is your thoughts about this one? Do you think that is a good solution compared to the original GoPro case to charge your batteries? Let me know in the comments below. My name is Marco, this is MADpack. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, smash the thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face, and I hope to see you in the next one.